Inflation, currency devaluation, global instability, they are all slowly eating away at what your money can buy. Your money isn't just sitting safely in your bank account, it's actually losing value every single day. And here's the shocking part, while your hard earned money are quietly shrinking, gold is quietly growing. In fact, in the recent period, gold price jumped by more than 25%. So let me ask you, if your currency keeps falling but gold keeps rising, which side should you rather be on? Now, here's the problem. Not everyone wants to open another bank account just to invest in gold, right? So, what if you could own real gold, physical gold directly from your phone using any UAE existing bank account or credit card? And even better, what if that gold could actually earn you more gold in return? Wait, what? Gold that's ungold? Sounds crazy, but it's real. Let's dive in and see. Every day we trust our money, our dirhams, dollars, rupees to hold value. But here's the truth most people ignore. Our money isn't backed by anything real anymore. Not gold, not silver, not oil. Just promises from central banks. And we have all seen how fragile those promises can be. One policy change, one crisis, one conflict, and suddenly your savings can lose purchasing power overnight. Meanwhile, gold does the opposite. When market panics, gold shines. When currencies fall, gold holds strong. That's why they call it a safe haven. It's like financial seatbelt. You hope you will never need it, but when chaos hits, you will be grateful you have it. But still, for most people, investing in gold feels out of reach. They think they need to buy big gold bars, visit a bank, or deal with storage hassle. And that's where today's story gets interesting because there's a new way to invest in gold. No need to open any new bank account, no huge amount needed, just your phone and few dirhams. Let's talk about Ogold, a UAE based app that's redefining what it means to own and grow your wealth with gold. So, what exactly is Ogold? It's an innovative platform built right here in UAE that lets you buy real physical gold and silver, not digital tokens, not paper gold, actual gold stored securely in global wallets. And here's the magic, you can start with as little as 1 dirham. It's a total game changer because it makes gold accessible to everyone. You don't need to be rich or own a bank account, you just need curiosity and Gold app. Now, I can hear some of you thinking, wait, a new app? Can I actually trust it? Fair question. Gold isn't a random startup that popped up overnight. The team behind it has decades of experience in finance and wealth management. They have built trust with over 50,000 users across the region, and it's officially Sharia compliant, meaning it follows ethical and transparent financial practices. That alone gives it a serious edge over most gold trading apps floating around. Okay, let's get practical. How do you actually go from having dirhams sitting in your account to owning real gold on your phone? It's surprisingly simple, just four easy steps. Step 1, download and register. Go to your App Store or Play Store and download Ogold app. Once installed, click on Join Gold at the bottom. You will fill in your country, mobile number, and email ID, then create a strong password. Tick the terms and condition and hit proceed. Now verify your email and mobile number by entering OTP sent to you. Once that's done, it will ask you for the name, and here's a pro tip. Enter my referral which is VAI03ALE to get 20 dirhams free bonus which you can instantly use to buy gold or silver. And that's it. You are inside the app. You will now see the live gold and silver rates right on the home screen. Step 2, complete the KYC. Tap the More button at the bottom right and select Update KYC. You will go through two checks. Liveliness check, record a short selfie video for verification. Second, documentation check, upload your Emirates ID and passport. Once verified, your account is approved and ready to invest. And here is a big bonus. There is zero fee for opening an account and zero storage fees for keeping your gold safe. Now it's time to add funds. You can link any existing UAE bank account or credit card. Yes, you heard that right, even a credit card. So you can start instantly without transferring money between banks. Once your wallet is funded, go to the buy option beside the live price, enter the amount you want to invest, say 100 dirhams, hit buy now, confirm, and done. Your portfolio will instantly show how much gold you own in grams along with its real time value. When you need cash, you can hit sell anytime and your gold converts back to dirhams instantly. The only small charge is a flat 5 dirham fee when you withdraw money. No hidden surprises. Simple, transparent, and fast. See, you just become a gold investor without leaving your sofa. No suit, no bank queue, no stress. Now, this part is where things get really exciting. Owning gold is smart, it protects your wealth. But what if your gold could actually work for you and earn more gold? Yeah, this is where Ogold's gold leasing feature completely flips the script. Think about it, we are used to earning interest on cash saving, right? But earning a return on physical gold, that's unheard of. Gold's gold leasing lets you lease your gold to verified global businesses like jewelers or tech manufacturers who need gold for their operation. In return, they pay you a potential return of up to 16%, paid not in cash but in gold. Actually, that return depends on the gold price appreciation plus on top of the extra 2 to 5% return. That is good if you are investing for your long term goals. Let that sink in for a moment. Your gold earns you more gold. So while price go up, your holding grow too. That's how true wealth compounds quietly, steadily, and securely. Now I know what you are thinking. Is this safe? Oh, Gold's team takes that question very seriously. They reject over 90% of businesses that apply to borrow gold. Every gram is individually tagged, tracked, fully insured, and handled through a global partner with flawless record. Zero losses ever. That's what separates hype from reliability. And if you ever wished your money could grow while being backed by something real and ancient, well, this is it. We will dive deeper into how gold leasing work and how to redeem your gold as physical coins or bar in my next video. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notification for that one. Trust me, you don't want to miss what happens when you see your gold balance grow. Not from price changes, but from passive earnings. So let's step back and think big picture for a second. Gold has been humanity's oldest form of money. Empires have risen and fallen, currencies have come and gone, but gold has stayed value for thousands of years. Now, O Gold is blending with that timeless asset with the power of modern technology. You can buy, sell, lease, gift, or even redeem your gold. All in seconds, all from your phone. And here is the most futuristic part. O Gold is already working on a prepaid card linked to your gold wallet. Imagine buying your coffee or grocery not with cash but with the value of gold you own. That's the next era of digital wealth, and for the first time, everyday UAE resident, not just big investors, can be part of it. This isn't just making a quick return, it's about protecting your future, your family, and your freedom from chaos of paper money. Gold is a peace of mind, gold is a power you can hold, or in this case, yeah. So, if today's video opened your eyes to a smarter, easier way to invest and grow your wealth, it's time to take the next step. You can download Ogold right now and start your journey with just 1 dirham. Or if you want a personalized plan, maybe a build wealth, save for a goal, diversify your investments, you can book a free discovery session with me using TopMate link given in the description. Let's map out how you can protect and grow your money the right way with confidence, clarity, and purpose. Because wealth isn't about luck, it's about smart decision. And today you just found one of them. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy investing.